Hello everyone, welcome back to Lego Star. So this time I have made another Lego puzzle box. This is the Lego Puzzle Box 7.0 because I have made 7 of them and this is my 7th one. So we have a hole right here and we have this on top which we can take off. Oopsies. As I was saying, if we put this in, that will just get stuck, so that won't work. Let's try again. Nothing happened. There. Now it came out because actually we're not supposed to do that. We have to, where there's coral pieces, we have to put the coral tile in and then take out the purple long tile. We're going to be needing this soon, so just wait for that. Then we have to slide this piece over. We won't be needing that. Take off this coral tile and then get this black piece off that was holding it together. So then we can slide this out, go to the back and actually insert this piece through the hole. And then on the other side, we have the money. To put it back together, we have to push the money back in, take this piece with the stud, put on that, then insert this here, and put the long purple stick through. There we go. I hope you liked today's video and the Lego Puzzle Box 7.0. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out another one of my videos. Bye!